Collard, turnip, and mustard greens are more than just vegetables. They are a vibrant part of Southern culinary tradition. Known for their robust flavors and nutritional benefits, these greens have a rich history that traces back to ancient times and across continents. The story of collard, turnip, and mustard greens begins in the Mediterranean and Asia, where they were cultivated thousands of years ago. These leafy greens were brought to the Americas by European settlers and African slaves. Their adaptability to various climates made them a staple in many regions, particularly in the southern United States, where they thrived in the warm climate. In the South, greens became a dietary mainstay due to their availability and affordability. They were often grown in home gardens, providing essential nutrients to families. Over time, these greens became deeply embedded in Southern culture, symbolizing resilience and resourcefulness. They were often cooked with pork or bacon, adding flavor and richness to the dish. Today, collard, turnip, and mustard greens are celebrated in Southern cuisine. They are featured in traditional recipes like greens and cornbread or hoppin' john. These dishes highlight the greens' versatility and their ability to complement a variety of flavors, making them a beloved part of Southern meals.